A quick look at Fox here. So we're trying to see if the bottom is in on Fox. We looked at it on the live stream last night, going from the high to the low. You got to get over the 236618 here, but you can clearly see we're starting to form this little stair step bear flag pattern down again. But that could only indicate that we're just coming back down to the bottom once again, and then maybe that would be the bottom. So you could still drop 17% from where you are right now on this thing unless you get over 2 and then bullish over 3.7 here. But it is still forming this little bear flag pattern. And now if we zoom out to the weekly, the monthly chart, you can clearly see we just put in, and there's a nice wick here, we just put in a slightly higher low. So it appears that the bottom should be in on Fox here. I mean, it's not a bad spot to be buying in where it is now. But like I said and pointed out on the 3-day chart here, until we break over some certain levels, let me get a smaller one here to look at. You could drop down 17 to 20% back down to this blue line here. So just keep that in mind if you're looking to buy another dip on this thing. But like I said, the overall macro chart doesn't look horrible. So right now, short term, high to the low on the daily candles, you are sitting over the 236, getting stuck at the 3.2. So if you can get over 2.4 short term here, then that could tell us that this bear flag is not going to play out, and you would end up moving up to that next big target here. So, of course, comment down below your thoughts. I thought that was a 618, but that's just a green line. Let me get that out of the way. So we'll move that out of the way. So on the macro here, you have to get back over 4.5. Once you get back over 4.5 and then all the way up to 8, that's when you could be macro bullish on the price of Fox here. But short term, just keep an eye on those prices there. But like I said, not bad where it is, I would have to say. So what are your thoughts on Fox? Are you loading up on this one? Are you bullish on it? Do you think this is the bottom? None of this is financial advice. And the higher targets here, of course, would be a 786 retracement up to 46 to 50 cents. Would get you about a 21.5x on this thing. And if you think it's going to go higher than that, which it probably won't hit this, it's 160x up to about 350. So I do like the 618 retracement up to about 24 for a 10x, and then possibly a 786 retracement for a 20x. So, like I said, not financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.